Boulder County Public Health is taking action as the number of cases rise among CU Boulder students. The county implemented a new public health order today requiring people 18 to 22 years old to stop gathering within city limits. That is in any way, any shape, or any size of group. That went into effect this afternoon.
The county has also identified 3 dozen residences where health orders have repeatedly been violated. And they're now forcing those students to stay and not leave their home at all. And right now, the University of Colorado Boulder has the largest outbreak in the state with nearly 1,200 cases.
Denver 7's Addie Guajardo live in Boulder tonight. Addie, we are hours now into this brand new public health order. What are you seeing tonight?
Well, Ann and Shannon, the order went into effect at 4 o'clock about 6 hours ago. We spoke to residents here at CU Boulder who shrugged off that ban on gatherings. Now, we also went to the Hill where we found gatherings at some of those homes with repeated violations. Parties and get-togethers. It's what college is all about.
College has always been about other people.
An experience that brought Matthew Perrone back to campus.
The people who went here before want to meet up with their friends.
A decision now filled with restrictions. On Thursday, Boulder County Public Health issued an order banning 18 to 22-year-olds from gathering in the city of Boulder. Now, even if people live inside the same home, like a fraternity or a sorority house, the health order bans them from gathering in common areas. And as we witnessed, gatherings are still happening on the Hill.
I think it's a radical decision.
Matthew says he feels like a target.
It's kind of shocking, right? That you could be policed for just, for this conversation alone. I could be fined $1,000 and put in jail for 90 days.
He says he feels trapped.
We're far away from our families. We have no one. They want us to isolate in our rooms. I think there's a human dignity problem here.
A little bit restrictive.
This student tells us she doesn't see anything wrong with grabbing dinner with her residence hall friends, even though it technically violates the health order.
If you live in a residence hall, but there are other people that don't live in your residence room, then you cannot gather with those people during this 2-week period.
On campus.
And this is just one of the new violations that they will be looking for.
And off campus. Officers will be enforcing the public health order. Now, I'm told the enforcement is going to start by educating these young people about what could happen, and over time it will increase. For example, students could face a 10-day suspension or even expulsion, depending on how egregious the violation is. Other young people throughout the city of Boulder could face a $1,000 fine or 90 days in jail. Reporting live in Boulder, Addie Guajardo, Denver 7.
All right, Addie.